Hi everyone, my name is Anu and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you all who don't know, I'm currently working as a software engineer at Google. And prior to that, I have been a software engineer intern at Twitter, now known as X. And I also previously interned at Google and Intuit. So this is going to be my first YouTube video in a very long time. So the last video that I had published was back in 2023. And so far, I have talked about interview preparation, DSA preparation, data structures and algorithms, and how do you actually crack and land a job. So now going forward, the videos are going to be more about how do you get better at your job. So as it's been more than a year that I've been working at Big Tech, I want to talk about software engineering because there's a huge gap between what is actually taught in college and what is actually helpful in software engineering. So I want to talk more about that because I feel that there aren't enough resources or there aren't enough people who are talking about what is actually useful in software engineering. And when I mean what is actually useful in software engineering, it's a lot about system design. How do you solve engineering problems? How do you design APIs? How do you scale the system? How do you debug issues? How do you resolve bugs? And a lot of that is also going to be on the communication side of the whole engineering aspect. So, how do you have one on ones with your manager? How do you talk to your team members? How do you ask for help from, let's say, a senior software engineer or a staff software engineer? And a lot is also going to be about how do you actually write technical design talks, because that is also something that is really important. And I feel that nobody really prepares you enough for that. So it's not going to be just helpful for people who are full-time software engineers. I feel it's also going to be helpful for anyone who's going to be starting their internship in big tech. So whether it's 3 month internship or it's a 6 month internship, you learn a lot. And I feel that I personally did not have enough mentors who could teach me about all of this. So I feel that I should be out there sharing this knowledge. So going forward, you'll see a lot of content from me around software engineering. You'll see me talk about artificial intelligence, how do I use AI in my everyday job, or I could also be talking about system design, any interesting research papers that I've recently read, or any engineering blogs that I've read which discusses some real critical engineering problems. I feel that along with your knowledge, any preparation that you might be doing in your college, you should also pay attention to these aspects. And I feel that I want my YouTube channel to be all about that going forward. Not just how do you get a job, but also how do you keep a job and how do you get better at a job. And there are a lot of performance metrics as well. So when you join into software engineering, you have to learn a lot about how do you get better at those performance metrics. So there's ratings, there's increments, there's bonus, but nobody talks about that enough. How do you get better at it? So I'm still in the process of learning, but I want to share what all I have learned within a year of working in big tech. And I feel that it's going to be helpful for all of you all. And also, it's going to make things a lot more exciting. So, if you just do data structures, algorithms all day, it's going to get a little boring. But if you also read about real engineering problems, you realize that software engineering is a great field. And there's a reason why I love being in tech, because there's so many real life problems that you're actually solving and you're actually making an impact in the lives of millions of people. So you need to realize the power that you actually have and that you won't get if you are inverting binary trees all day, all long. So let's talk about that going forward. Let me know in the comments what YouTube video you would like to see on me first, or what video topic you would like me to talk about. I'll be happy to talk about that. That being said, you can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter for any updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for staying with me all the time. Bye bye.